We all know the stress of being stuck in a traffic jam. One reason these bottlenecks are so common is the worsening condition of Europe's road network. It's getting old and needs extensive maintenance, which translates into congestion, delays and risky conditions for road workers.
The main challenges we are facing as a road operator are basically the same for all the road operators. The first one is related to minimize the impact for the daily users in order to ensure them a safe and comfortable journey. The second point is related to ensure the highest safety levels for the road operators.
To meet these needs, researchers, engineers and technology specialists in the OMICRON project developed a portfolio of smart maintenance and construction solutions. One set of cutting-edge technologies are digital inspection tools. These gather accurate data about the condition of roads and assets such as bridges. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, fly singly over longer distances or in groups as an autonomous multi-drone system.
El uso de UAV normalmente tiene que ver con especializarse para la función que tienen que cumplir. Hay secciones lineales muy largas donde sacas partido de una inspección con un solo dron en lo que se llama long range, y ahí estamos hablando de objetivos de 2-3 kilómetros. Y hay otro tipo de situaciones como esta, en que aunque las distancias no son excesivas, estos son 250 metros de puente, sacas ventaja de usar varios UAV.
From hundreds of meters away, within minutes, these autonomous drones can detect corrosion or cracks as small as just a few millimeters. To achieve this accuracy, the team had to overcome multiple challenges.
Los desarrollos han tenido que madurar tecnologías facilitadoras, por ejemplo, relacionadas con los sensores, con ser capaz de usar funciones de zoom, con transmitir imágenes de alta calidad en grandes distancias y en entornos donde hay interferencia.
Use of autonomous drones greatly reduces the need for expensive and hazardous on-foot surveys and means around 67% less disruption to traffic. In addition, OMICRON's cost-effective car-mounted laser scanner PointPix provides a close-up view of the roads.
The sensor basically is focusing on collecting 3D data from road data, and this can be used to find cracks, potholes and all those things. And eventually this information can be passed to maintenance to clear the defects.
To help maintenance teams visualize the problems and plan their tasks, the project team constructed an intelligent road asset management platform. This includes a digital twin that combines inspection data with live traffic and weather information and, uniquely, can easily be accessed with a smartphone and no extra software.
My favorite part about the project is the fact that we integrate different types of technologies going for the same objective. And this is done via a digital twin platform in order to provide all this information in one tool to the user.
This information is analysed with an artificial intelligence-enabled decision support tool. This helps decide when and where interventions are most needed, significantly reducing maintenance costs and traffic disruptions. In this way, inspection data is translated into actions to be performed by a robot.
PointPix is actually giving the first data required for all the downstream applications. For example, if you see the robotic arm which is actually filling the cracks, They should know where the crack is, how much big the crack is. This laser brings this measurement into context.
The robotic modular platform is the third part of OMICRON's intelligent road asset management system. Unlike other robotic solutions under development, it can perform multiple tasks.
This modular platform has been designed and developed to be able to perform several road maintenance tasks, such as installation of safety barriers, installation of signals. It also can install and collect cones and some other operations such as the sealing of cracks and also the removal of paint on the road using laser technology.
For this to work smoothly, road workers learn how to direct the robotic platform using augmented and virtual reality tools.
The main challenge using this kind of robotic solutions in these environments is that these environments are very dynamic, so they need to be combined with artificial intelligence technologies in order for the robot to be able to position properly and detect the different elements.
The virtual reality and augmented reality interface allows workers to perform maintenance tasks more safely away from the road, almost eliminating the need for people in high-risk areas and increasing efficiency.
Sicuramente è una nuova esperienza per un futuro, perché ci può mettere anche magari in sicurezza l'operatore, non essendo più su strada, e niente, c'è solo bisogno di pratica perché insomma è una cosa nuova.
In addition, the OMICRON experts also developed other useful solutions. One is a process for mending or constructing bridges using prefabricated components guided by digital modelling. This allows for retrofitting or reuse of infrastructure, requires fewer people on the road, and reduces traffic disruption by around 80%. Another development uses V2X technology to communicate real-time information between road authorities, workers, and even drivers.
Through this V2X technology, we can receive in our smartphones all the information related to the road works, weather conditions, incidents on the road. We can rely on this information because it's provided by the operators and public entities, and can act accordingly from our private vehicles in order to reduce any kind of risk on the road.
When emergencies do occur, OMICRON's virtual crisis room can help. This combines communications, digital twin and decision support technologies for a coordinated incident response. And getting down to the ultimate basics, by gathering real-time data about asphalt temperature and texture, OMICRON researchers have helped ensure roads will be smoother and more durable in future. Developing these new technologies and related training required regular feedback from stakeholders such as road authorities.
Our aim is to provide and to reskill all our workers in order to keep them safe and secure. We are looking forward to test and use and potentially investigate all the potential new developments in order to find out if they can be used and scaled on all our highway network.
OMICRON's technologies have been tested on roads in Italy and Spain and are being fully certified before market release, with some, like the digital twin for bridge assets, already available. So maybe in coming years, as you're driving smoothly and avoiding delays, you may see drones, robots, or other smart technologies helping to keep Europe's traffic flowing.